Hi, in the last lesson we learned about pie and donut charts. In this lesson we are going to learn about how to make the best use of interactions options to make our report truly dynamic. Let us come back to our studio. So our report will be truly dynamic when interaction of one visual will interact with or work in harmony with rest of the visuals. If we make selection of one visual, rest of the visual will get data filtered according to the selection. One visual works in harmony with rest of the visuals in our report. Let us see how we can set the interaction effect and how it can work or how it works in our report. Okay. So this is the that we have created in the this is the chart we have created in the last sessions, and let us create one two scorecard and one table. So all four visuals we will see how it interacts. Let us create a scorecard. This is the scorecard we will create. So this is the scorecard. For scorecard, what we will do for this scorecard, this is profit. It comes no problem. But let us make it a suppose take for example sales. We will make it a sales. We will bring sales into it. So this is the it didn't come. Let us type otherwise sales. So now it comes here in the scorecard as we have discussed that scorecards are information placeholder within a rectangle. So this is the scorecard for profit we have created now. Sorry, sales we have created now. It is sales, total sales is this. Okay. So we can create another for suppose take for example discount. So we can simply copy the scorecard, and once again what we will do, we will here we will write the discount. Okay. So this is how we can create scorecard. Okay. So now we will add a table. Okay. So we will see by after adding the table how these four visuals are working or are working in harmony with one another. We will see. So we will add a table, simple table we will add. So here we can put. Okay. So under table, our dimensions we will bring the subcategories. This is segment it has come and profit. So under dimensions we will bring let us say uh, subcategory subcategories. Let us bring. Okay. Then under metric we will bring, let's say profit. Profit is already there. Profit is already there. Okay. So let us say so it is that appearing there are 17 subcategories. Let us expand a little more. Okay, let us expand a little more. Okay, so now if we see we have created four visuals. One is a pie chart, another two scorecards, one on sales, another on discount, then another on table. Okay, so how these four visuals are interacting with each other, or working in harmony with each other, we'll ask. Suppose I will make selection of these consumers, it will not happen. So nothing is going to change here in this. Same figure is there. Sales is they are the same, like this is the sales discount is for 474.25, and this is the, so that not no changes are happening, no change is taking place when I am that clicking on a particular, okay, that proportions, okay, or category. So let me select this pie chart. Take for example under data column, there is, we will go back here, we can see uh, under data we'll see, let us check, interactions options. So we will add one interactions here. So interaction chat interaction is here, option is here. We can go. Now we will expect that if we select one of the proportions from this pie chart, rest of the visual should get that reflected. The changes should reflect in rest of the visual. Let us go back to the view. So let us see. So here is the figure, sales figure 2348482 and discount figure 885. Okay, let us see. For this is now changing. Let us see. So for sales figure for consumer central category, category, this is basically region, central region category, that it is getting reflected. So how to get this data back to the previous setting? We can click once again on this, it will come back. Okay. Similarly, suppose we want to see the north, let us wait for our data to get reflected. So this is the figure we can. So what we have done, we have now that enabled the interaction effect to our visuals. So once what this interaction effect is all about, if we select one particular proportion of a chart, so rest of the visuals will, that data will be reflected according to the selection. Like take for example, we have selected central, okay, central, and accordingly the data in the scorecard and tables got reflected according to the central regions. Okay, let us come back to the come back to edit options. Then we will also apply this interaction effect to this. Like take for example, we will do this for the table. Take for example. Okay, so for table, let us make selection of this table. Okay, uh, let us make interaction effect. It is already there, therefore it is coming. You can see, yes. So let us go back. Here there is chat interactions. So here we can have also interactions like this. Like take for example, let us see, suppose we will click on bookcases, it is coming. Bookcases central region has performed 50.3%, and for southern region so 26%, and this is 23%, like this. And sales for bookcases is like this, 294396, and discount is 45%. Similarly, suppose we click on copiers, this is the changes. So this is how actually that interaction effect takes place in Google Data Studio. When we make selections of one of the visuals, rest of the visuals will act accordingly or work in harmony with others. So this is one important options in Google Data Studio, which that we must use. Okay, thank you very much.